On behalf of the Pakistan Center for Philanthropy, that is the board and the management, gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this, our annual event.
So it's a great pleasure to join the PCP event today. I think what PCP has been doing as a clearing agent in terms of providing the certification to the donors, and that stamp of approval is huge. So I think कि इस किस्म के events जहाँ recognize किया जाए इस किस्म की discussion को और इस किस्म की giving को, I think is very important.
PCP does not take money or give money, but is there to facilitate, coordinate, to encourage. So we are in touch with the corporates, we are in touch with the NGO community. So we engage with the NGO community through certification, etc. So in that sense, like PCP is a good middleman that works between the donors, the donees, and tries to facilitate and help them so that they are more effective.
वाहिद इदारा है पाकिस्तान में जिनके पास इस वक्त ना सिर्फ वैल्यूबल डेटा, एविडेंस बेस्ड डेटा, जो कि हम आज के वक्त और आज के लिहाज से, आज के मिसाइल के लिहाज से रिसर्च मुस्तकिल 20 साल से कर रहे हैं.
Are faced with multiple problems. Climate issues, is educational emergency, is stunting, malnutrition, population explosion. This is the time when we need civil society not photographing the most. And what we see is this, that we are just, the landscape has become so complicated. There are so many windows.
Really, we need to prioritize harmonization of federal and provincial legislation, institutionalizing in terms of accreditation and transparency mechanism, investing in philanthropy mapping and digital reporting systems, and establishing regular multi-stakeholder dialogue platforms for ongoing policy feedback and coordination.
Where we are in terms of macroeconomic stabilization, where do we go in terms of structural reforms, and inshallah towards inclusive and sustainable growth.
Long-term sustainable development is critical in terms of how philanthropy has over time been very important in terms of providing facilities and providing money to education, to health, to poverty alleviation, cultural activities and social work.
Before this, generally giving was there, it was always there, but it was an individual affair and it was not really finding its place in the development sector. So the biggest advantage of the evolvement of this philanthropy in Pakistan is that a lot of corporates have come in.
इस लिहाज से पीसीपी का बहुत अहम रोल है ताकि जो पैसे देने वाला, चाहे वो फर्द है या वो इदारा है, उसको एक कॉन्फिडेंस हो सके कि जहां हम पैसे दे रहे हैं वो ठीक है.
The Pakistan Center for Philanthropy is an incredible platform. It is actually a case study for other countries to even look at, where the government has seen enough substance and robustness in its processes to even rely on its certifications for large financial decisions.